Welcome to Review Lab. The best Wahl 10 blade is probably one of the most versatile and reliable tools for anyone looking to achieve professional-looking haircuts at home, offering a precise and comfortable trimming experience that stands out in a crowded market of personal grooming devices, making it an essential addition to your grooming arsenal for effortless styling and maintenance. Number 5. Wahl Professional Animal KM10 Clipper Kit. Experience the power of our 2-speed clippers, reaching up to 3,700 SPM. They effortlessly handle even the toughest animal coats. Perfect for dogs, cats, horses, and larger animals. It excels with thick, matted, or coarse fur, ideal for full-body grooming and show cuts. This kit includes a number 10 blade for a 1/16-inch cut. You can easily swap blades to achieve any desired length for your grooming needs. Enjoy constant speed control that automatically adjusts power for tough spots. It's lightweight at just 12.3 ounces, reducing wrist strain during use. With over 20 years of expertise, Wahl Pro Animal is dedicated to creating comfortable grooming tools. We help keep your pets healthy, happy, and looking their best. What we like. This clipper boasts impressive power with dual speeds and maintains torque in tough spots. Its lightweight build reduces fatigue during long grooming sessions. If you frequently groom large animals or handle thick, matted coats, this is an excellent choice for efficiency and comfort. What people say. The Wahl 10 blade is a great addition to my grooming kit. It's easy to use and gives a clean, precise cut every time. I love how quiet the Wahl 10 blade is compared to my old trimmer. It makes grooming a much more pleasant experience. The battery life on the Wahl 10 blade is impressive. I can get several full haircuts on a single charge, which is very convenient. Number 4. Oster Professional Cryogen-X Detachable Blade. Experience the ultimate in professional grooming with this advanced blade. It's designed for precision and efficiency, ensuring a superior finish every time. Featuring innovative Cryogen-X technology, this blade offers enhanced durability and performance. It stays sharper for longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The detachable design provides exceptional versatility, allowing for easy switching between different grooming tasks. Achieve seamless transitions and adapt to any client's needs. With its size 10 specification, this blade delivers precise cutting results. It's ideal for achieving specific lengths and styles with confidence and control. Crafted for the demands of professional use, this blade is a reliable tool for barbers and groomers. Invest in quality that performs, day in and day out. Enjoy a long-lasting grooming experience thanks to its robust construction. This blade is built to withstand rigorous use, maintaining its sharpness and effectiveness. What we like. This blade is Cryogen-X treated for enhanced durability and a smooth cut. It provides a precise number 10 length for detailed work. If you're looking for a blade that offers longevity and consistent performance for professional grooming, this Oster option is a solid contender. What people say. This Wahl 10 blade is a game changer for home haircuts. It's incredibly sharp and cuts through hair smoothly, making the whole process faster and more efficient. The design of the Wahl 10 blade is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, even during longer grooming sessions. The weight is well balanced, which helps with precision. I was impressed by the versatility of the Wahl 10 blade. It comes with multiple guards that allow for a wide range of hair lengths, making it suitable for various styles. Number 3. FURZONE Detachable Blade, Size 10. Introducing the FURZONE Detachable Blade, designed for superior grooming performance. Crafted from extra durable Japanese steel, it ensures longevity and precision with every use. This size 10 blade offers a precise 1/16 cutting length, perfect for detailed grooming. Achieve a clean and even finish effortlessly. Engineered with high-quality Japanese steel, this blade is built to last. Experience consistent performance cut after cut, maintaining its sharpness over time. Enjoy the versatility of this blade, compatible with most major clipper brands. It seamlessly fits Andis, Oster, and Wahl A5 clippers, making it a convenient choice. Upgrade your grooming tools with this reliable and efficient detachable blade. It's designed to make your grooming routine smoother and more effective. What we like. Crafted from extra durable Japanese steel, this blade is built to last. It offers excellent compatibility with most major clipper brands. If you need a reliable, long-lasting replacement blade that fits your existing clipper setup, this FURZONE blade is a practical and cost-effective solution. What people say. The Wahl 10 blade is a high-quality blade that is perfect for trimming and outlining. It is made of stainless steel and is very sharp, so it will last a long time. The blade is also very easy to clean, which is a big plus. Number 2. Wahl Professional Animal 30-15-10 Adjustable Blade Set. Introducing the Wahl Professional Animal Adjustable Blade Set. This versatile blade is perfect for dogs, cats, horses, and livestock, offering 3 cutting lengths in one. Ideal for clipping and trimming all animal coats, it's perfect for full-body grooming, complete shave downs, and professional show cuts. Achieve precise grooming with an easy-to-adjust taper lever. It seamlessly switches between 3 cutting lengths, giving you the control you need. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, this blade ensures smooth feeding of fur. It provides a superior clipping and grooming experience for professionals. Proudly made in the USA, this product is backed by Wahl's 30-day satisfaction guarantee. You can trust in its quality and performance. Rest assured, each product undergoes rigorous quality assurance. Any synthetic hair found is a result of this process, confirming your item is brand new. What we like. Featuring an adjustable taper lever, this blade set offers versatility with number 30, number 15, and number 10 cut lengths in one. Made from high-grade stainless steel for smooth hair feeding. If you appreciate the convenience of multiple cutting lengths without switching blades and groom various animals, this Wahl adjustable blade set is ideal. What people say. The Wahl 10 blade is a versatile tool that can be used for various grooming tasks. It features a durable construction and sharp blades for precise cutting. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during use. Number 1. Wahl Professional Animal Competition Blade 2358-100. Introducing the Wahl Professional Animal Competition Blade. This is a medium number 10 detachable blade designed for a smooth cut and show quality finish. It's ideal for clipping and trimming all animal coats. This includes dogs, cats, horses, and even large animals with thick or matted fur. This medium number 10 blade offers a 1/16-inch cut length. Its professional quality chrome finish ensures superior rust and corrosion protection. Achieve a smooth cut and a show quality finish on your pets and livestock. It provides excellent results for various coat types. Rest assured, all our products undergo quality assurance checks. Any synthetic hair found is a result of this process, confirming your item is brand new. What we like. This competition-grade blade is designed for show-quality finishes and smooth cuts. Its professional chrome finish ensures superior rust and corrosion protection. If you're aiming for a pristine, professional look for your pet's coat and need a blade that maintains its performance and appearance, this Wahl competition blade is the perfect fit. What people say. The Wahl 10 blade is a high-quality, durable blade that is perfect for trimming and detailing. It is made from stainless steel and is designed to be long-lasting and easy to clean. The blade is also very sharp and precise, making it ideal for intricate work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.